Welcome back to S'more Adventures, the channel where we do the hiking so you don't have to. If you're new here, we're an adventure-loving couple based in the Pacific Northwest, aka the land of trees, waterfalls, and weather that can't commit to anything for more than 5 minutes. We spend an unhealthy amount of time hiking, camping, and pretending we're outdoorsy influencers, just so you can stay on the couch in sweatpants, crushing snacks, and avoiding blisters. You're welcome. And speaking of blisters, hey Band-Aid, if you're looking to sponsor someone who constantly underestimates how sharp rocks are, this channel is going to be your MVP. Like, seriously, look at this foot. It's like a patchwork quilt. This week, we're showing you 3 jaw-dropping waterfalls in Northwest Oregon that are literally right off the road. These hikes are short, stunning, and snack-approved with big views and low effort. So let's go. And of course, no adventure officially begins until we've sacrificed our dignity for a little breakfast treat at the Nest Bakery and a little bit of coffee. In all seriousness, this place is so delicious and we highly recommend it. We are not sponsored by them. We just love them a lot. First on our list is Beaver Falls, where the hike is so short, your coffee's not even going to have a chance to cool off before you get to it. Seriously, we've walked further in a Costco parking lot. Located near the town of Clatskanie? This place. This 48-foot high cascade plunges into a dark basalt amphitheater, offering a serene and picturesque setting. The trailhead sign is subtle, so keep an eye out and look towards the left when you get into the parking lot. A short 0.3-mile trail will lead you through a lush forest right to the base of the falls. The path does descend about 100 feet and can be slippery, so sturdy footwear is recommended. At the bottom, you'll find a tranquil pool surrounded by towering cliffs. It's the perfect spot for photography or simply soaking in the natural beauty. So if you're feeling adventurous and don't mind getting a little cold and wet, you can actually cross the creek to continue the path to get a view from behind the waterfall. Beaver Falls offers a quick yet rewarding hike to one of Oregon's hidden treasures. Remember to stay on designated trails and respect the natural environment during your visit. Next up on our list is Hug Point Falls, proof that Oregon not only gives you cliffs and waves, but also throws in a frickin' waterfall on the beach. Because why not? This little coastal cascade is at its best during the rainy season, so it's a blink and you'll miss it kind of thing. But when it's on, it's on. Located 5 miles south of Cannon Beach, you have to go during low tide, so make sure you check the tide table before heading here. And when you're here, be sure to check out the sea caves, tide pools teeming with marine life, and even a road that was carved into the cliffside in the early 1900s. Spoiler alert, constructing a road in the ocean did not work out. If you're looking for an easy payoff on your hike, combined with the beach, towering cliffs, very interesting marine life, caves, and a waterfall, you'll find it all at Hug Point Falls. And last on our list, but definitely not least, is Young's River Falls, the perfect waterfall for people who want maximum wow with minimum movement. Located just outside of Astoria, home of the Goonies and questionable weather forecasts, this 54-foot waterfall is so easy to get to, you can practically see it from the parking lot. This hike is the ultimate lazy girl special. Just enough nature to say you went outside, but not enough to break a sweat. To get here, just follow Young's River Road out of Astoria for about 10 miles, and you'll find a well-marked parking lot area and a trail so short, it's honestly a stretch to even call it a hike. More like a glorified stroll, you'll burn more calories swatting mosquitoes than walking. Now don't let the easy access fool you. This waterfall is gorgeous. A wide, roaring sheet of water plunges into a scenic swimming hole that gets popular on hot summer days. Yes, they have those in the Pacific Northwest. We were a little shocked too. Surrounded by ferns, mossy rocks, and towering trees, it's like walking into a Bob Ross painting with better lighting. And fun fact, Lewis and Clark passed by this spot in 1806, which means when you visit, you're basically walking in the footsteps of American explorers, only with better shoes and fewer dysentery concerns. Whether you're into photography, picnicking, or just pretending you're outdoorsy for Instagram, Yuns River Falls delivers. And the best part, your legs won't even be mad at you afterward. Thanks for tagging along to these easy waterfall hikes. Go ahead and boop the like button like our dog shows you here and hit subscribe if you haven't already.